So hello and welcome to the channel, and today we're gonna show how to replace back lamps for Ford PUMA, and this one is an ST line X, to be honest. Quite nice car, and yeah, maybe soon one of these gonna be on review on the channel, but let's check out. So tools, usual suspects: plastic trims for the trims, plastic tools, screwdrivers, and this bad boy for taking out. So I did remove few things before, but basically I want to show you. Take this out, should not be that big of a problem. I will show you exactly what's the pins. So probably start from this side, this one and this one. So this one goes over here, and then one it's up. So that's just to access these plastic trims over here. So these are the holders for the lamp. So same on the other side. So I would suggest using this and put it over here underneath, and just like that, click it out, as you can see over here. After that should be basically pull out. If you have any trouble, use again the plastic tool, or if you have this bad boy, you can use that one as well. So like that. So all this just to get to this screw that is holding the lamp. I believe it's just that one, but we'll see. Let's see if I can unscrew it with hands. Usually not that easy with hands, but seems like this one could go. You could use a screwdriver, but I would advise using something like this for that, so to screw it out. But this one should be with hands. Yeah, this one goes with hands. Other side, let's check the other side if it goes by hand. Yeah, it's in your car, so it does. Let me unscrew these and then we continue. So once you unscrewed it all the way out like this, so you can check out how deep this goes. Be gentle with this one. It does want to break, so, and then you're gonna have big problems with that. So that's basically one that's holding. So, and here I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see, but there is a pin about somewhere about over here. And yeah, if you're not sure what they're doing, these tend to break over here. So don't do it yourself if you're not 100% sure. If you have anybody else that can do it for you, you should probably give it to them. I'm not sure if it's possible to show, but I will take it out. It's gonna require two hands for sure. I'm gonna take it out, and then so yeah, over here should be the best way to click it away. So I will try to use one hand, but it's gonna be a lot harder. So yeah, let me just pull it out first time, then I'm gonna show you. It's kind of easier second time. So I will show you the pin, to take out the pin. When I open it up, it's kinda impossible to take it out normally. So this is the pin, and here is the hole. So you see the hole, and here goes this little clip holder. So then you have to take this bad boy out. So here is electronic, electricity. I'm gonna take that out. So this is the lamp. Now let me show you best, probably the, not really sure what would be the best way, but somewhere from over here, so like this, to get inside. Now if you have this plastic tool, or if you have like this, so take it from here and click it out. I will try to show another side again. It's kinda really hard not to break, so pin all out, and then it's movable, just kinda really hard to get to it. Probably go like this a little bit, try not to break. If you're not really sure what you're doing, maybe give it to a professional. So I will try it again on this side, and then we see how far we can go. So this one again didn't go really nice, but I managed to take it out. So let's see, this one didn't fall out, but it's kinda really hard to take it out. So if you're somehow from, let's say, from this side over here, and to pull it against over here, but you need to aim over somewhere over here to pull it out. So it's not that easy, and even I have troubles doing it, and I did many of these, so it's not really that easy, to be honest. Let me take this out, but it's possible. So I'm gonna put the lamp over here, and now let's check out these back ones. These should be easier to pull out. So that's how it goes. Has this one screw over here. Yeah, even goes with hand. That's nice. And let's see on this power over here. So from this side, from downside, you take it out, and then it should be easier, but it's never easy. So we're gonna take some tools for that. Probably this side has a pin, so let's see. Yeah, that side had a pin. This side should go easier, but we will see. No? Let's see from this side. So if there is a pin, here should be easier to take out, but let me try with two hands. Kind of easier with two hands. So the pin is over here, on worst place possible, to be honest. So it's kinda made so you can break the lamp. Let me show you. So it was really made to make your life really hard, and I don't know why, because this pin over here, I don't know, I really don't understand the design for this. That's quite crazy to me. So but here you have. So best way, when you have it like this, so somewhere about over here, so you put your tool and click it out. That's how I did it. So same process for the other side. I'm gonna show you the other side. But yeah, if you depends what you need. If you need to take both sides, just one lamp, because these are all LED lights. So these, when these go out, you will have to buy probably another lamp. Not really sure this can be fixable. So anyways, if you came over already to this part, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help me grow the channel. And if you have anything that you would like to see on how to Ford related, Fiesta, Focus, even Puma, because yeah, I started with Puma right now, comment below, and if it's possible I will make it. If not, I can make it once I get to that car. This one went a little bit easier, to be honest. So yeah, as you can see, the pin is over here. So yeah, that's about that for this one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and I hope I can see you all in next one. So till next one, see ya.